In today's society, it's very important to recognize doctors who put patient care first, who are innovative, who always want to do more for their patients.
The award has been evolving. It's been given to a number of colleagues who have a long-standing contribution to Mount Nittany Medical Center to improving patient care.
When we first created the award, we looked at dedication and passion, and we looked at innovation. And she, of course, received the first Jane Strickler Award.
Dr. Strickler had only one priority, and that was her patients. I mean, she was not interested in bigger houses and fancy cars. She was not that kind of person at all.
Jane was really a pioneer, and one doesn't always recognize people who are innovators when you're dealing with them all the time. Sometimes it takes recognition coming from somewhere else.
She had a vision to have this breast care center, and we opened the breast care center at Easterly Parkway and set up to do just mammography. She really was determined that our community was going to have the best in women's health care.
In the early 70s, the concept of much more limited surgery, lumpectomy and biopsy and radiation and all those things that we take for granted now in the treatment of breast cancer were emerging concepts.
She really was the linchpin for the beginning of high-quality attention to breast cancer patients. But the most important part I remember about her is she read my mammogram, and she probably saved my life and probably saved the lives of a lot of women in this valley.
When Jane started a breast-only diagnostic center, there was not only the technical challenge of doing the best mammograms, but there was also the community part of convincing women that they should come and get mammograms, many of whom were afraid of it.
How wonderful when you think about it in retrospect. From the era from which she evolved, first of all, she was a woman doctor. She was a woman doctor concerned about women's issues. You know, that wasn't the thing to do.
She was president of the Cancer Society. She was president of the Center County Medical Society. And she really worked very hard to bring new physicians into the area.
She did whatever she needed to do. She spoke at different dinners and tried to promote women's health as much as she could. And, you know, the people that knew her loved her.
From a broader perspective, she set a goal. When you see somebody who can be successful and can institute an extremely high-quality program in a community setting, you say, why can't I do that with my field of expertise?
I think that this sets an example for everyone. And if you look at the people who have been recipients of the Jane Strickler Award, I think you'll find that every one of them has professed these exemplary qualities of really putting their patient first and foremost.
I think in many ways it's become an all-star award for physicians who have given the most to the patients and to their community and to the medical staff. And in doing so, they set a standard for others to emulate.